This is a small class on acid etching. One of the requirements of an ideal filling material is addition and the ability to bond with the tooth structure. One of the requirements of an ideal filling material is addition, the ability to bond with tooth structure, and the obvious advantage of addition would be the absence of marginal gaps between the restoration and the tooth structure. Now, we are not going to discuss in detail about addition, adhesive, and adherent. Those are the definitions, however, please take note. And for mechanical bonding, however, we will have to understand what bonding is. Bonding is a result of penetration of one of the material into the undercuts or irregularities of a different material. The material which penetrates it's the adhesive, and the material which is going to penetrate into a substrate, that substrate is called an adherent. Now, for this we will also have to understand on what a smear layer in a tooth structure is. Basically, after you cut a cavity, there is some debris found, and this debris is composed of bacteria, saliva, and certain tooth substrate that was cut down. Now, any material, to create the undercut, we will have to create micro tags past the smear layer. Now, acid etching is a process of roughening a solid surface by exposing it to an acid and thoroughly rinsing the residue to promote a micromechanical bonding. Now, the goal is to keep the enamel clean and to remove the enamel smear layer and to increase the microscopic roughness. Acid etching will basically remove 10 micrometer of enamel surface, creating a microporous layer for 5 to 50 micrometer deep. 30 to 40% phosphoric acid is used in the process, and etching is done for 15 seconds. The enamel is dried completely, and frosted appearance will indicate successful etching. Bond strengths of edge surfaces may vary from 15 to 25 MPa. Now, there are three different micromorphological patterns that occur on etched enamel. Type 1 is preferential dissolution of prism pores. Micro tags, they are otherwise called. Type 2 is dissolution of peripheral enamel. Pores are left intact. Macro tags, they are called. And type 3 is areas resembling other patterns. That ends the class on acid etching. Thank you.